So everybody always asks this, just for every investment. Is now the best time to invest? Is now the best time for the stock market? Is now the best time for real estate? My answer is always yes, 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 yes. Because you never want to miss an opportunity to start making money. And when you're on the sidelines, you're not making the money. There's no money over there on the sidelines. The money's over here on the money side. So you want to get in the game. Once you see an investment opportunity, jump into it. And right now, the opportunity is in real estate because interest rates are so high and inflation is so high that real estate prices continue to go up. You have to come on the real estate side because that's where the money is right now. Do not delay and think, I do have enough money. Okay, you can consider something like a REIT, a real estate investment trust. Or you can just make the bigger leap and buy physical real estate and get rental income with a short-term or long-term rental income. No matter what you think about it though, you have to make the leap if you want to be on the money side. There's no money made watching other people doing the moves and you just sit down in that same financial position you're in. 2023 is all about making moves. So get in the game, get into real estate because that's where the smart money is going right now.